We have new developments to report tonight here at 6 o'clock in the Delphi murders case.
Yeah, the judge issuing some key rulings against defendant Richard Allen. Our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel is in studio for us.
And Bob, I understand this now will let the state show the jury some of the most important evidence that it has against the defendant, Richard Allen.
Yeah, and Richard Allen's attorneys asked for a special hearing because they claim law enforcement lied to get a search warrant of Allen's home. Today, Judge Frances Gall shot down that idea, and she said she won't even have a hearing on that. It could have a huge impact on this case. Court documents say investigators found important evidence against Richard Allen at the crime scene, an unspent bullet found between the bodies of Abby Williams and Libby German. Investigators claim ballistics testing on that bullet matches a gun they found inside Allen's home when they conducted a search warrant. And it's some of the most powerful evidence offered by the state in an effort to link Richard Allen to the crime scene. But Allen's attorneys say the Carroll County Sheriff lied in order to get the search warrant, and therefore all the evidence should be suppressed. Monday afternoon, Judge Fran Gall disagreed. She denied the defense team's request for a hearing to determine whether the sheriff lied and whether the evidence should be tossed out. Gall said the affidavit the sheriff filed to search Richard Allen's home and car was reasonable. And in her ruling, she said the court does not find that the sheriff submitted false statements or omitted statements with reckless disregard, nor does the court find that the sheriff intended to mislead the judge by failing to present information. So, a jury will get to hear about the gun found inside Allen's house and how it might relate to the crime scene. Also this afternoon, the judge announced she will consider a new request to transfer Allen to a county jail instead of a state prison. She will set a hearing date for that and another hearing to decide whether to let the prosecutor add additional charges against Richard Allen. Scott, Ann?